Have you ever wondered what Earth was like before us? Before the dinosaurs, before anything crawled onto land? For billions of years, our planet was an alien world. Imagine a molten sphere with churning chemical oceans and unbreathable air. But then, about 541 million years ago, something incredible happened in the oceans, the Cambrian explosion. Life went from simple bacteria to a frenzy of creation. Strange creatures like Anomalocaris, the first great predator, appeared. Trilobites with hard shells and complex eyes filled the seas. It was the birth of the first evolutionary arms race, the beginning of the world as we know it. This was just the start of life's epic journey. Want to see what happened next, when giant insects ruled the sky and the first forests grew? Subscribe and join our odyssey through Earth's ancient empires. Did you know that long before the dinosaurs, Earth was home to creatures so strange they looked like they're from another planet? Imagine an Earth where the land was completely barren, just rock and volcanoes. But beneath the waves, life was getting weird. The oceans were filled with bizarre organisms like Dickinsonia, a 4-foot-long quilted oval that absorbed food through its skin. There were also frond-like beings called Charnia, swaying in the currents without a brain or muscles. This was the Ediacaran period, a peaceful, predator-free world. But then, everything changed. About 541 million years ago, the Cambrian explosion happened. Suddenly, animals developed shells, skeletons, and eyes. The first superpredator, Anomalocaris, appeared, kicking off an evolutionary arms race that shaped all future life. This incredible history set the stage for everything that came after, including us.